Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today I'm going to share a very tasty cookie recipe that is not only tasty but very fun and interesting to make. And that is fortune cookies. These cookies are made with very few ingredients and also has a slip of fortune inside. So when you break to eat these cookies, you can also read your fortune. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. And before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot, and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. First, add in 4 egg whites into a bowl. Add some melted butter, vanilla essence, and whisk it until it becomes frothy. Now let's add in the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour and sugar. Now mix everything together. Now you have to add around 1/4 cup of water, but add in little by little as you need a flowing consistency batter. So that's it. These are the only ingredients you need to make this cookie. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper and add a spoonful of this batter and spread it like this. And at a time you can make maximum of 3. Why? I'll tell you later. And you have to only bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. And while it's baking, you have to get ready with all these ingredients. Some fortunes, offset spatula, and especially this mug. And when you see a brown border at the edge of these cookies, then our cookies are ready. And immediately flip them with the offset spatula. And while it's still hot, place a fortune inside and fold these cookies with the rim of the mug. Let me show you one more. Now once you spread the batter, bake them for 8 to 10 minutes and flip them with an offset spatula. And when it is still hot, remember, when it is still hot, you have to fold it with the help of a mug. Place it in any small bowl to hold its shape. So that's why I've told you earlier you can make maximum of 3. Because you have to work this really fast. If these cookies slow down, it will get to harden, and then you will not be able to fold these cookies into the fortune cookie shape. So this is how we make our interesting fortune cookies. And if you're making these cookies for your friends, you can also add some fun and interesting fortunes inside. So hope you all like these recipes and definitely make this at home. And leave me a comment if you like these cookies. I know this fortune will come true that you're gonna try making these cookies from our GreyPot. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can also watch more interesting recipe videos from our channel GreyPot, so do check it out. Thank you.